Hello, welcome to my home lab. In this new video, we're gonna create a system backup from our newly installed OpenMediaVault 8. We start our video on the browser window, admin and password, login, and voila. We are back on our system we installed in the previous video. First we go to System, Plugins, Backup. You see, the backup is from OMV Extras. So you need to install the extras before you have the backup plugin. You can see that in the previous videos. Second thing, this plugin will back up the entire OpenMediaVault system. So this is a system backup, not a data backup. You see it here, minus data drives. So we only back up the system. So we select it and install. Confirm. Yes. It's only take a minute. Downloading. Et voila. No errors, end of line, everything is okay. We close it. Go back to the system. And we have here our backup. You can click on it. We have settings. You see shared folder, but I not yet have one. We're going to see that in a minute. We have a couple of methods. We have DD full disk, FS archiver, war backup and rsync. Today we use FS archiver. Next we have the days we want to keep the backup, and if we want an output, verbose output, we can select that. But first we need to create a shared folder. Cancel it. Yes. We go to storage, disk. You see we have only one disk here, our 120 SATA drive with our system. So I put the USB stick in the server, and voila, we have SDB, our 15 gigabyte USB stick. First thing we do is to clean it, to wipe it out. Wipe, confirm, are you sure all the data are going to be lost? Yes. We have two methods, the quick one and the secure one. It's always better to do the secure, especially if you use the USB stick on a Windows PC. Secure. Et voila. I come back when everything is okay. And voila, the disk is ready, end of line, no errors, so we can use it to receive our backup. Close it, here, everything is okay. Next step is to create a file system. We go to File Systems, Create, ext4, select the device, our USB stick, select it and save it. Now we're creating file system. That's a quick solution. I'll speed it up and come back if everything is finished. And voila, end of line, no errors. The file system is okay. Close it. Now we need to mount it, so we can select it now. The usage warning 50, okay, and we save it. And voila, we have our system. We need to apply, confirm, yes. It's only 1 minute. And voila, successful. We have SDB1 ext4 almost empty available. Now we create a shared folder. Shared folder, create, give it a name, backup. In our case, select a file system, see it here, backup, it's okay. The permissions, read, write, and others only read, that's okay. And the tag we name backup. And voilà. We can save it, and we have a disk. Apply, yes, only 1 minute, and voilà. Everything is successful. Here you see the path. That's for later. Now we can go back to System, Backup, Settings, and we can select our newly created shared folder. Backup. The method today we use FS Archiver. Root device, okay. Keep for 7 days. Password, you can use that, but for me that's not necessary because it's only for testing, and for both output it's not needed. We save it. Okay, and we create a backup. And voilà. Now we create a backup from our OpenMediaVault system to a USB stick. Again, I speed everything up and come back if successful. And voilà, the backup is ready. End of line, no errors, everything is okay. You can close it. We go back to storage, file systems, and you see we have some space as used. We used 1 gigabyte. We go back to system, backup. You can also plan a backup. See, every minute, every hour, every day of the month, you can use that here. But for now, that's okay. For the last step, I'm going to open command line. SSH with root user to our OpenMediaVault server. Log in. Now, we go to the root directory. We do ls. We go to the srv directory. Yes. And you see, we have, in this case, 2 drives. We're going to select one, but if we want to be sure, we go here, we go to storage, shared folder, here we have it. So it's the one with 923. Return here, so it's this one. So we do cd def with the 9 up, enter, to ls all. See our backup, we go inside it. Again, ls. See, we have OpenMediaVault backup. So again, ls all. And voila, we have our files. With all these files, we can restore our project. But that's for the next video. For the last part of this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the USB stick. Because if you select it, you see, you cannot delete it. it here. So first we go to System, Backup, Settings, and remove the shared folder here. So we don't have a backup anymore. Save it. Now we go back to storage, shared folder, select our folder, and now we can delete it. It's not delete any data, it's ready to remove the stick from the server. So we delete this. Yes, it's gone. Apply. Yes. Okay. If you want to remove the file system, you select it and unmount. Unmount it. You really want to unmount? Yes. Okay. Et voilà. Apply. Yes. Et voilà. Our system is okay. It's still inside here in the disks, but you can remove the USB stick and put it on a safe place. This is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up or leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you later.